Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Citrus Park local and long-distance movers near me. For many people, moving out of their current city is an important life choice. If you hire a moving company, you'll be more satisfied with the result. If you live in Citrus Park, there are a lot of movers to choose from, but finding one that can handle your unique moving requirements might be difficult. Choosing a reputable moving company like 3Movers will ensure that you get the best service at the best pricing. Our team's dedication to excellence and customer satisfaction sets us apart from the competition. Many of our previous customers can attest to our high standards in the moving services business. All of our employees are well-trained, and our moving vans and trucks are top-notch. Whether you're moving across town or the country, we've got moving packages to suit your requirements. We're the only company in Citrus Park that offers all of these benefits. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Citrus Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.